guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is offbeats. Offbeats is a topic which some of you think I already know it, others think I never will get over this, and if you follow this tutorial, you're going to be a master of the offbeats after this tutorial, and you can find a creative way to work with it and really get better into this, also with guitar technique and all that stuff. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Free membership you can discuss with others, and premium membership upgrade. You can download all files which come with any lesson which I'm doing. So, offbeats. Let's get started. What is a offbeat? Most of you already know it. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, then the offbeat is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So, that's a offbeat. First, and if you play like offbeats, let's choose a chord. As an example, we take the G. Just a bar, or you can choose any chord. It's not really about chords. So for the beginners in offbeat or general beginner players, you can do the entire exercise or tutorial just with one note, like the open E string. This way you really can concentrate on the offbeat. If you're a more experienced player, you can take any chords you like. I'm going to choose now the G. Well, let's take G minor to C minor. It's cooler. But it's really not about the chords, it's more about we're learning offbeat. So the first thing is just to play offbeats, you know. So, and the easiest way to do that, if you do, you know, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, the offbeat is the plus. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you don't see my foot, but in this case, it's all upstrokes. You know, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3. You know, you can count through and do like this. It's always the upstroke. You can do either short ones or the long ones, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And you can also do with a beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yeah, counting is probably the key to really get to really work with offbeats, you know. So really count. You do, as I say, you don't see my foot, but really do this 1 and 2, and that's the thing to do, because if you cannot count, you cannot do the next exercise now, which is now instead of just playing the offbeats, first play the onbeats, then the offbeats. Switch 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So you are able now to switch between onbeat and offbeat. That's the main key to it. Now the next thing is you can do, you just play the chord on 1 and, 2 and, 3 and 4 and, meaning 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. What did we say? We just stay on one chord for now to make it not too complicated. So 1 and, so 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and. See? Let's do that. With counting in, you can switch chords if you want. I just stay on one chord for now, just to show how it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's one thing you can do. As I said, it's pretty simple. It's all upstrokes or the offbeat in this case. But now the trick comes. In some genres, the end is a downstroke, or like in rock, you always play downstrokes. Let's choose now a power chord. So 1 and 2 and 3, and in this case always downstrokes. So even your foot is coming up, your hand has to go down. Let's do that now. First on beat and then off beat. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So that feels different now, because before it was easy. You just go with the beat, and everything which is up is the off beat. But now you really have to count and know where it is. First do the first exercise just with the up and down, and then do this. You can do this with power chords, but of course with normal chords that's not really, or just one note. It's not about this. It's about the movement and feeding the whole thing. Now the same thing again. So 1, 1, 2. So on 1 end, 2 and 3 end, and 4 end. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do, let's do an exercise, 1 bar just with downstrokes on the on beat, and then on the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 end. Let's do that. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. That's the more common. You can do the one with all downstrokes or offbeats as upstrokes, as you like. Do both exercises, you know. And now we do with changing the chord. Same thing again, but all downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1. See, I missed it. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and. Good that a mistake also happened to me. You really need to concentrate. You really need to count, and do this exercise is really serious, because this really helps you to figure out where the offbeats are, and you're able to play them either with downstroke or upstroke. Now, these were now all exercises. Now we come to the real thing. And music is, rhythm guitar is often a switch between on-beat, off-beat. Like we have a note on 1, like a chord on 1 and 2 end, or a chord on 1 and 3 end, or one we have on 1 and the switch chord on 4 end. And those examples I'm going to do now. Now we do 1 and 2 end. That's the most common one. 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2. Pretty simple. Or you can do with upstroke. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3. As I said, the most common one. Now we do a 1 and 2 at 3 end. 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Also cool. Now we do 1 and switch chord on 4 end. That's also very, very common. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. I did downstrokes, so now do upstrokes. 1, 2, Now, once you reach this point, now we're ready for the really hard ones. Only offbeats, like let's do 1 and 3 and the other one 2 and 4 and. No, let's do 2 and 4 and. So we switch the chord on 4 and, and the first chord is on 2 and, the second chord starts on 4 and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Now with upstrokes. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and so on. See, that really works. And then you can also mix any figure. And the most common thing which you do is just do 1 onbeat, 1 offbeat, or 1 onbeat, 2 offbeats, then 1 onbeat, 2 offbeats. I'm going to do 1 and 2 and then switch on 4 and that's also a very common one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now do all out downstroke. 1, 2 and 3, 4, and so on. And you see, this one already sounded like music, and that's exactly music works always with on offbeat in a lot of forms. Yeah, so this was now the whole thing to really master offbeats. As I said, practice it with down and upstrokes, and always with the foot, which you didn't see so much in this video now. But really do that, because you know, on and offbeat without foot sound the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If the foot doesn't come here, it feels totally different when you do it with the foot. And that's the main, if you haven't done it before, you really have to do the whole thing with the foot. Yeah. I'm going to write down all those examples which I play now as tabs, that you also see how the stuff is written. And it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, and you can practice this with any backing track, with a metronome, or only with the foot, as you like. It doesn't really make it, or with a song. That's at the end, it makes no difference. Good. One more to say. Please join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Make the premium membership upgrade to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for you. And if you just want to do the free membership, it's also cool. You can join there and discuss with others about music, about guitar playing. Yeah, just follow the vibe there, guys. Yeah, me and Dr. Pink are signing off. Bye.